Ready to transform your Wix website from drab to fab with a simple yet powerful design trick. Let's dive into how to use strips in Wix to create visually stunning sections and enhance your website's overall appeal. First, access the Wix Editor for the site you want to customize. Click on the Add button located on the left-hand side of the editor. This is where you'll find all the elements you can add to your website. In the Add menu, locate and select Strip. You'll see a variety of pre-designed strip layouts to choose from, including image strips, gallery strips, and classic strips. Browse through the options and select a strip that suits your website's style and purpose. For example, let's choose a full-width image strip. Click on the chosen strip and drag it to the desired location on your page. Strips are perfect for breaking up content and creating clear visual sections. Now, let's customize the strip. Click on the strip to access its settings. Here, you can change the background image, color, and adjust the strip's height and width. To change the background image, click on Change Strip Background. You can upload your own image or choose from Wix's free stock images. Add text, buttons, and other elements to your strip to create a compelling section. Simply drag and drop these elements from the Add menu onto the strip. Position and resize the elements within the strip to create a balanced and visually appealing layout. Use the alignment tools to ensure everything is perfectly aligned. And that's it. You've successfully added and customized a strip in Wix. Use strips creatively throughout your website to enhance its design, improve organization, and create a more engaging experience for your visitors. Now go make some magic.